Dialing in starts with an espresso recipe, and Coffee Station lets us program our recipe directly into the app. But even once we have our recipe set, there's still an important factor to watch for, and that's the flow of our espresso. Grind size affects how water moves through the coffee, so a little fine-tuning is always needed to keep the espresso in range. We'll go over setting up our recipe and making adjustments on the Pico to fully dial in our station. First, make sure all components, the Linea Mini, Pico, and the Marzocco connected scale, are connected via the app. To program the espresso recipe, we control two key variables in the app. Dose on the Pico, how much coffee goes into the portafilter. Yield on the Linea Mini, how much liquid espresso is extracted. Together, these form our coffee to water ratio, which is the foundation of every espresso shot. In the app, we can set our chosen coffee to water ratio. A great place to start is a normale recipe. Grind by weight, dose 18 grams of coffee, set under mass in the app. Brew by weight, yield 36 grams of espresso, set as the output target in our app. Shot time isn't controlled by this system, and that's intentional. Because coffee changes naturally over time, we need the flexibility of being able to control our grind size as needed. Even with dose and yield locked in, our grind size will determine how water flows through the coffee, affecting shot time and extraction quality. The goal? A shot time between 25 and 35 seconds. If the espresso flows too quickly, the connected scale won't have enough time to stop the shot at our target weight. To slow the shot down, adjust the grind finer. If the espresso flows too slowly, the coffee may be over-extracted and taste too intense. To speed it up, adjust the grind coarser. Remember, the Pico has a lot of adjustments, more than just 27. So sometimes you'll need to keep turning the ring past 0 to reach finer settings. Grind while you make these smaller adjustments, so you don't get any coffee stuck. All coffee will look different, but watch for a steady, syrup-like flow with a deep honey brown color to it. Grind by weight is especially helpful when dialing in because it delivers the exact dose that we've set, even after any adjustments have been made. This eliminates any wasted coffee and also the frustration of our doses changing with our grind size.